Today we are gonna make Turkish Mantı. Here are the ingredients for the mixture. I have 1 glass of water, a teaspoon salt, 1 egg, and 3 glasses of flour. And now I will put all the ingredients in a bowl. Well, it is hard to mix like that, so I will use my hand and start cleaning. Now I'm going to cover the mixture with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Here are the ingredients for the Turkish Mantı filling. 1 medium onion, 250 grams of mince, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to unwrap the plastic wrap from our dough and place it on the table. Then I'll divide it into 3 portions and roll each portion into a ball. I'm going to start rolling it out now. Now I'm cutting the dough into small squares. Now I'm going to put the meat into the small squares. I'm doing sauce right now.
네.